Hey kids, we got some work to do on Clyde. And while we're doing that, we're gonna be testing out headlamps from the tour. Stick around, we gotta get it to work. All right, what we're gonna do today is I think my steering box is leaking. We're gonna check it out. And we need a light because let's face it, Clyde's low to the ground and he is, it's dark under there. So we're gonna try out this guy right here. Now, this actually does come with headlamp accessory. It's USB-C charge. And it has battery level right here. This is your power button. Okay, full battery. This rotates and then to there. Huh? No, you got your good old red light right there. See that? So you don't mess up your night vision. And you have, of course, your flasher so people can see you if you're using this on the side of the road. The other nice thing, look at this, it goes like that. This. Dude. Can't beat that. This one right here. It has a 180-degree rotation and 180-degree rotation. Look at that. Does show that it's made of ABS plastic. It's magnetic. So that's fun. 5 volt, 1 amp. It is 10 by 4 by 3.5 centimeters. It has white light and red light and is USB-C charged. I don't know what more you need from a light. Oh, wait, the headlamp. Let's try that out. Comes with the strap. And it is super easy. You just hook her right up in there like that. Oh, you know what? Probably help if I didn't do it the wrong way. It's my first day. It could be. All right, like that. Boom, boom, and oh, let's check it out. Hold on. Huh? That's pretty darn handy. Well, let's get under there. I forgot to mention, it comes with its own cord, and it actually comes with some stick-on magnetic in case your car's fiberglass. Clyde is steel from 1931. It's like this thick. Let's get under there now. I took the headers off of the car because I noticed there was some leaking, and I'm pretty sure I know where it's coming from, but let's check this out first. Yeah, see? Right there. It's leaking right down here. Got some there. Definitely got some there. But you can see. Look how good that lights it up. Even back there. Oh, look at that, another leak. We got transmission pan leaking right there. Okay, what isn't leaking on this thing? Well, we got leaks there too. Oh, and we got still a leak on the floor. It's not really the answer I was looking for, but we need to check the leak that I was actually gonna look at. Let's get to there. There we are. We are under the coupe. Oh yeah, look right there. We got a nice leak. Right there. Oh, hey, sorry, right here. We got a nice leak right there. Check it out. See? We definitely got a leak there. Back there. Yeah, definitely right here. Do you see it on the corner? Right here? Right here? Right there. We got a leak. Oh, definitely a leak up there. Okay, well, I think we found a few of our leaks. Let's not look anymore. All right, so some of the good, this is an LED light, of course. I mean, you saw. Some things that you can definitely use it for, outdoor adventures, camping, night riding. If you want to ride your bike at night, you know, you can put that red flashy on the back of your helmet. Night fishing, repair work, underground work. If you're doing construction at night, or if you're working on a boat ame. This is definitely a good product. Comes in a box like this. Latour, you do make a quality product. I will definitely be using this. Now, make sure you check out the link in the description. That'll take you right to this wonderful product here. And yeah, this is Honest Paint Speed Trap approved. You saw it real time. Anyway, kids, hope you enjoyed this. Latour, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, and keep on wrenching, kids.